Hi guys, Putin here. In this video, I'm gonna explain you how you can use macros in Excel. So macros is a very useful feature given by Microsoft. So I have an example sheet here. So for using macros, you have to go to developer tab. Under developer, you have many options. First, you have to enable developer, right? So you can click anywhere on any tab and customize the ribbon. Here you can click developer and you can check this box. So or else if you're not comfortable, you can go to options, and in this you can go to customize ribbon. So both are correct methods, you can use both of them. So I will default use this method. So here I have a developer tab now. So here, this is what we want. It is a macros. So here I will start recording this macro so that it is useful for me in future activities. This is the customer names, this the balance to be paid, and this is home delivery status. So we haven't delivered for people who have more than 500 rupees pending to be paid. So yeah, I'll record this macro. So let's name it as format CUSTON customer data. Yeah. So you can also assign shortcut key for this, or you can also assign a description for this. Store macros in. You can store macro in what all the workbooks you want. So this workbook, let it be in this workbook. So I will click OK. Now it is showing stop recording, so that it shows that your macro is being recorded now. So what all I want to do is I want to just go to home tab and insert another column here, and here I will clear all the formatting by default given while inserting. So what I will do is I will go here and go to data tab, text to columns or delimited. Okay, I don't want tab, it should be space. Okay, now let me finish it. So all my second names have moved here, so I will name it as last name. So this should be first name. So we have to format this again. So I'll just go here, all borders, I'll just make it to center and underline it and make it bold. Yeah, that's all I have done. So here I have also we made another change, highlight cell rules greater than. So this is conditional formatting. I have already posted a video related to conditional formatting, and I will give the link in this video description. You can open the video and see if you want details related to conditional formatting. Okay, let's jump into our topic back. Okay, so I'll press OK. So it has highlighted the three values. So that's all I want to do. So I will go and stop this recording. So after I start recording, you can see that the macro is stored here under macros. So you can also run the macro now, but I need another sheet. So let me create another sheet, and here I will copy all the data. Just copy, and in this sheet I will paste it. Yeah, I'll zoom ahead a little. I want some filters. Expand it how much required. Some more for names. Yeah. So now if I run the macro on here, the macro automatically does what all I did in this sheet. So I will rename this as trial. Yeah. So this is the trial workbook. So I'll run this macro. Oh my god, what Excel has done is what all you did in last workbook, what last sheet, it has formatted the same here. So we have another cool feature here, that is inserting a button to run macro. Like if you switch on the switch, fan or light or glows, fan spins, so these things will happen. So same like that, you have buttons for running a macro in Excel. So I'll draw a button here. How much large you want you can, but I want it for 3:2. So button click 4, it's given as but I will name it as format customer data. It's not a name, but it's a macro name. We are assigning a macro to this button, so let's assign it and rename it as format customer data. Yeah. So you can include spaces in buttons, but you can't do in macros. So I have included a button here. So now let's try clicking this button. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, wow. See, Excel has run the macro after a single click of this button. So that's all of today's topic. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you next time. Try it in your home. Hope to see you next time. Bye.